This is Paul. Yeah. U.S. Code Title 18. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Can't find downloaded file. Pooch. I'll have to look for it someplace else. Mm-hmm. Let's see here. I sent you a copy of the actual Constitution of the State of Washington. Yeah. And I informed the Supreme Court justices of the state of Washington. Yeah. And every Superior Court judge in the state of Washington right now. Mm-hmm. And all of those are oaths of office of the state legislature. Yes. Uh-huh. And every sheriff in every county right now. 600 civil rights coordinators. Yes. Numerous police departments. Yeah. And then the individuals. Yeah. That are legally obligated to enforce the Victims' Crimes Act. Victims Protection Rights Act. Yeah. Now, all of you are accused of refusing, yeah, to obligate the protections of the U.S. No, the Washington State Constitution. Yeah. Now, here it is. Ouch. Oh, some reason it's not working very good. Yeah. Maybe I'll go over here. Now, let me see if there's a problem with the actual. No, it has the documents in here. Oh. Now, this is organized according to, it looks like, well, then it would be way down here. It's, oh, wait, let me look here just for a second. Because the 18 would be right. Well, there's, oh, wait a second. No, I couldn't be that. Well, 0, yeah, and then 12, 17, ooch, oh, 12, 10. Oh, there it is. Now, within this Constitution of the State of Washington, yeah, you did include Victims' Rights Act, yeah, Victims Protection Act, ooch. Oh, Victims of Crimes, yeah, number 35. Now, let's see if it's the same as what the Department of Justice has. See, for every sworn oath, yeah, and I can get you a copy right now. I'm sitting here, yes, because no one wants to enforce their actual oath of office. Yeah, and every day, yeah, I inform you that I'm a victim of hate crimes. Yeah. And you don't want to make the Sequim Police Department or the Sheriff's Department, yes, you don't want to make them have to actually enforce the laws. No. Mm-mm. So you would rather go to prison yourselves. Yeah. Now, look at here, Section 35. Yeah. Victims of crimes rights. Yeah. Effective law enforcement depends on cooperation from victims of crime. To ensure victims a meaningful role in the criminal justice system and to accord them due dignity and respect, victims of crimes are hereby granted the following basic and fundamental rights. Yeah. Now, upon notifying the prosecuting attorney, yeah, that would be Nichols. Yes. Hawes. Yeah. Miss Cochran. Ooch. Mr. Calgill. Ooch. Ooch. Mr. Rom. Ooh. Brett Roberts. Right now. A victim of a crime charged as a felony. Yeah. Have the right to be informed of and subject to the discretion of the individual presiding over the trial or court proceedings. Attend trial in all of the court proceedings the defendant has the right to attend. Make a statement at sentencing at any proceeding where the defendant's release is considered. Subject to the same rules of procedure which govern the defendant's rights. Yeah. In the event the victim is deceased, incompetent, a minor, or otherwise unavailable, prosecuting attorney may identify a representative to appear to exercise the victim's rights. Yeah. Now, provision shall not constitute a basis for error in favor of a defendant in a criminal proceeding or for a basis for providing victim's representative with court-appointed counsel. Yeah. Now, this one's a little different. Yeah. It says that I don't have the right. Yeah. To be reasonably protected from the accused. But there are some additional requirements. Yeah. In the event, yes, that the victim is the 5 minors named. Yeah. The prosecuting attorney may identify a representative to appear to exercise the victim's rights, known as the five minors named. Yeah. Now, in the event that it's Legina, yes, in a picture in a Rotarian newsletter, yeah, the prosecuting attorney can appoint, yes, exercise a representative to appear to exercise the victim's rights of Legina and Van Proyen. Yes. Now, in the event, yeah, that it is Marilyn Van Proyen, the Department of Justice would say that she has the right to be protected, yes, from the accused Mike Van Proyen because of his, spousal abuse, yes, of impersonating Marilyn Van Proyen as my sister Susan Bowers. Now, I'm going to want to talk to Marilyn because I will sue this county for refusing to obligate the enforcement of the Department of Justice's Victims Protection Act. Yes, where it would be an obligation that Marilyn does not have to speak to Mike Van Proyen because of the accusation of domestic violence. Yeah, yeah. And since that picture of Susan Bowers, yeah, is domestic violence, yeah, I would say that you have intentionally victimized Marilyn Van Proyen, and that you, the Sequim Police Department, yes, are intentionally violating all. No, right, no, right,